Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on noise suppression in your game recordings on Metal TV. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you want to turn off noise suppression while recording your games here and after that upload it to your profile on Metal TV, you will need to do this through your settings here on Metal TV. So log into your account in the Metal TV app. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to audio here. And for that method, you will need to enable Microsoft, right? So not Microsoft, but microphone, of course. And here to speak to your microphone during your in-game recordings. And then you may perform a microphone test here by clicking to start test to the right. And then guys, you may enable the noise suppression here at the bottom and adjust the decibels so that the recorded noise through your microphone may reduce the background, right? So I don't know, dogs barking in the background or something like that, so that doesn't annoy your audience, for example, when watching your video clips, right? So you could, I don't know, you will have to find out which decibel setup is the right for you, and yeah, make sure that noise suppression here is enabled. You can also additionally turn on push to talk so that you only get recorded, your audio from a microphone only gets recorded when you use the given hotkey on your keyboard and not simply when you speak into the microphone, right? So that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.